Mail time. Way back in 2021, when iPad mini 6 was first announced, I had zero interest in it. I had an iPad Pro, which by the way I still have, and I loved it. It could run Final Cut Pro for iPad, it came with an M1 chip, had a beautiful liquid retina display, it had everything I wanted. So honestly, I never even gave the iPad mini any thought. It took almost 12 months and a bunch of videos from Patrick Rambles before I even started considering it. By that time, it had been out for a full year, so I thought I'd just wait until the next one came out. So I waited and I waited and I waited. Well, it's finally here, the iPad mini 7. I don't get these ahead of time, so I'm a bit late to the party, but let's open it up and see if the iPad mini lives up to the hype. First, we have some accessories, because you don't buy a tech product without accessories, right? Now, I'm a firm believer in protecting my purchases and keeping them in tip-top shape while trying not to completely hide the beautiful design. That's why I paid way too much money for this Apple Folio case. I got the super exciting space gray color. Honestly, there's nothing exciting about this folio. It goes on your iPad and protects the glass on the front and the back, and can be also used as a stand. And the magnets are in the same spot as the Mini 6 folio, so they're interchangeable if you like the previous colors better. Other than that, it's just a cover. Next up is the Apple Pencil. Now, I did not want to upgrade this. I have an Apple Pencil 2 I use with my iPad Pro, and there's nothing wrong with it, except that it's not compatible with the new iPad mini. I think the magnets are in the wrong spot. Anyways, I'm not an Apple Pencil power user, where the new features are worth the upgrade for me, but I do use it enough where it felt the need to get this one. There's two options for the iPad mini: Apple Pencil USB-C and Apple Pencil Pro. The USB-C model is cheaper, but it has less features, even than my Apple Pencil 2. If I had to get a new one anyways, I might as well have the new features. So I got the Apple Pencil Pro. Maybe this is something I don't even know I need until I have it. I don't know. I'll try it out and find out. Oop. Here it is. And finally, the iPad mini 7. Now, this is the cheapest way to get an iPad, so of course I got the cheapest model. I ordered the 128GB model in the very boring space gray. I'm going to shut up for a minute and let you hear the wonderful sounds of unboxing an iPad. Here it is, the all-new iPad mini 7. Now, if you've been to my channel before, you know I make videos about making videos, and I love gear and accessories that help remove some of the friction of making content. So, for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to test out this iPad and see if it's a tool that makes what I do easier for me. Also, I not only make content, I also consume a lot of it too. And with the small size of this iPad mini, I think it's going to be a perfect consumption device. I'm going to test it for a couple of weeks and see what all the hype is about, and decide whether I'm going to keep it or send it back. Either way, expect a follow-up video in a couple of weeks. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss it. And if you're new to the channel, check out some of my other videos. You might like them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.